Hey fuckers, welcome back to another episode. Now in today's episode, I'm actually going to take out the G35 for a drive. Give you that GoPro experience for those of you guys. I'm not going to drive it fast. It's untuned. I mean, it's on a tune, but it's not on the best tune. I don't want to mess up the car. I'm actually wanting to take the car hopefully this November to get it tuned because I'm actually anxious to drive it. I really want to drive it. With that being said, I'm also getting ready to go to SEMA this weekend on Friday, so hopefully I get to see some of you guys there. I'm super excited, man. So I know a couple of you guys have been asking me to do like a vlog, lifestyle kind of vlog. So if anything, you'll probably end up seeing that this weekend as I go to SEMA and show you guys a vlog with the homies. I'm gonna be going with Genzilla and a friend of mine called Cena, and named Cena, sorry. Oh my god, I'm so bad. We're going to bring you that lifestyle vlog, and it's going to be car content because we're going to see some of the most insane builds in America, in the world. I heard there's like a full R carbon R32 straight from Japan, so it's going to be insane. You don't want to miss it. I mean, we started this channel 3 years ago not knowing nothing, and now we're heading to SEMA. Like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Who would have ever thought? But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog, enjoy the content. I take out the G35, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. We got a couple goodies coming, and we're actually talking with a company who's looking to potentially sponsor the build, and I'm really excited. I don't want to share that information with you right now, but hopefully I can share that with you at a later time. That being said, enjoy the video. All right guys, before we take out the G for the first ride and I can show you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the car together. It's missing a couple parts, especially like the ECU and stuff right here. It's still uncovered, so we're gonna go ahead and put that all together just so we have a nice clean collective car, because everything's a mess. And I'm also gonna go ahead and give the car a wash, man. This thing has been mistreated, man. And now we're pretty much just putting the internal storage here, the, what do you call it, the cabinet. Bingo. Looks like everything is put back together. Everything is looking nice and how it was before. The car under normal driving still performs decently well. It drives normal. That's the best. Under hard acceleration, it is a little shaky, so I'm not gonna do that again, unfortunately, until I get retuned. I do not want to risk blowing this motor. It definitely doesn't ride as smooth as how it was before, obviously because it needs a retune, but it does drive pretty well, just normal driving. So I'm gonna take it out, just do some normal driving for you guys so I can show you guys, because I really miss driving this car and I really miss feeling that power, but unfortunately we cannot feel it at the moment. So we're waiting for some goodies, and then we're gonna get retuned and hopefully do some better numbers. I feel like we tightened the belt a little bit more, not the cog belt, the one that keeps breaking, the actual serpentine belt, and we are actually producing more PSI when it was working back then. So when we go to retune this, I'm pretty sure we can do some mad numbers. We might hit 11 PSI and do some like 460 wheel numbers. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm nervous, but at the moment, it's just a waiting game. I also went to Harbor Freight and bought some wire loom to protect my wires. Hopefully this prevents anything like that happening again and having to have my ECU fry up. Like, this is just crazy. But anyways, gotta protect ourselves now. Man, oh fuck. Been a while. Oh. Alright, let's see, will this turn on? So our AFRs are good, idle and normal driving, but when I step on it, this kind of goes to like 9, which is super bad. It's like, I don't know if it's super bad. It's better than being too lean, but being too rich is also not the best. So we're just gonna do normal driving for today and see how that goes. But yeah, AFR should be pretty decent. driving, which I'm fine for now. We won't be able to tune the car until like freaking January. So, which by the way, we're working on a special collaboration with a special somebody, which I'm super excited. I'm actually quite confused at the moment, but I mean, they send me a DM, and honestly, I'm more than happy to do a collab. So that's gonna probably come sometime in February, so stay tuned for that. I think I do. Sheesh, man, I hate downtown. What's going on with all this construction? Can I take it right here? Can I turn right here? Yeah. I fucking took that bitch on red. Oh my god. Okay, I need to focus, bro. Like, when can I take a right? Is your map's not working, bro?
Yeah, it was not working. But it's directing you right.
Really?
Yeah. But don't go. I don't know. Oh.
What do you say? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Right?
What? Oh, damn. Bro, I don't know if you guys can hear that lady still. She's screaming. But anyways, I think the car is doing alright. Man, you know what? I kind of low-key don't want to drive the car no more. I smelled a lot of oil and stuff like that. And so, I'm not sure if the car should be driven. But, yeah, we'll see.